Most people overpay for products like this. Here is why this one is different. When it comes to high-quality lighting, the prices can quickly add up, but the Artemide Tolomeo Mega 150W E26 Silver Fiber Diffuser aluminum wall lamp is an exception. It offers a unique combination of style, functionality, and durability without breaking the bank, and for those interested in learning more, the link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. This lamp stands out from the crowd due to its sleek and modern design, which can easily complement any room's decor, from a living room to a home office, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance to their space. One of the key benefits of this lamp is its adjustability, thanks to the arm structure made of aluminum, which allows you to direct the light exactly where you need it, whether you're working on a project, reading a book, or just need some ambient light in the room. The arm is also surprisingly sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it sagging or losing its position over time. This level of adjustability is really important, as it allows you to customize the lighting to suit your specific needs. For example, if you're working on a project that requires a lot of focus, you can direct the light to shine directly on your workspace, reducing eye strain and improving your overall productivity. Additionally, the wall support, also made of aluminum, ensures that the lamp stays securely in place, even with the arm extended, which is really convenient if you have limited space or want to position the lamp in a corner. This is particularly useful for people who live in small apartments or have limited desk space, as it allows you to make the most of the space you have. The overall design of the lamp is also worth noting, as it's both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The silver fiber diffuser, for example, adds a touch of sophistication to the lamp's design, while also serving a practical purpose by softening the light and reducing harsh glares. In terms of performance, this lamp uses a 150W E26 bulb, which provides more than enough light for most tasks, and the silver fiber diffuser helps to soften the light, reducing harsh glares and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. This is particularly useful if you plan to use the lamp in a living room or bedroom, where you want to create a cozy ambience. The control type is also worth mentioning, as it allows for easy on-off switching and dimming, giving you full control over the lighting level, which is really handy if you're watching a movie or just want to relax with a book. The ability to dim the light is also useful for creating a romantic atmosphere or for reducing the light levels when you're trying to sleep. Another practical benefit of this lamp is its durability, which is due in part to the high-quality materials used in its construction. The aluminum arm and wall support are both built to last, and the overall design of the lamp suggests a product that will withstand the test of time. This is important because it means you won't have to worry about replacing the lamp anytime soon, which can save you money in the long run. Furthermore, the lamp's modern design makes it a great choice for anyone who wants to add a touch of contemporary style to their home or office. The lamp's sleek and minimalist design will complement any decor, from modern to traditional, and its versatility makes it a great choice for anyone who wants a lamp that can adapt to their changing needs. When considering the pros and cons of this lamp, it's clear that one of the major advantages is its stylish design, which can really elevate the look of a room. Another benefit is its adjustability, which makes it easy to customize the lighting to suit your needs. The lamp's durability is also a major plus, as it means you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. On the downside, some users may find that the lamp is a bit pricey, although it's worth noting that the quality of the materials and construction justify the cost. Overall, this lamp is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, stylish lighting solution that will provide years of reliable service. It's also worth noting that the lamp is relatively easy to install, which is a major plus for anyone who isn't particularly handy. The instructions are clear and concise, and the lamp comes with all the necessary hardware, making it a breeze to set up. This is particularly useful for people who are renting their homes, as it means they can take the lamp with them when they move, without having to worry about leaving it behind. In addition, the lamp's energy efficiency is also worth mentioning. The 150W E26 bulb is relatively energy efficient, and the lamp's design helps to reduce energy consumption by allowing you to direct the light exactly where you need it. This is not only good for the environment, but it's also good for your wallet, as it can help to reduce your energy bills over time. In conclusion, the Artemide Tolomeo Mega 150W E26 Silver Fiber Diffuser Aluminum Wall Lamp is a fantastic option for anyone in the market for a high-quality, modern lamp. With its unique combination of style, functionality, and durability, it's a product that is sure to meet the needs of even the most discerning users. The lamp's adjustability, durability, and energy efficiency make it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish lighting solution. If you're interested in learning more about this product, be sure to check out the link in the description.